A quality pair of kitchen shears can be a game changer for both fledgling and professional cooks alike. This handy tool steps in for a variety of tasks where a knife simply won't do, from cutting herbs to breaking down a whole chicken. Shears aren't your regular pair of scissors. They're typically made from heavy-duty, food-grade stainless steel and often come outfitted with extra features like bottle cap openers, nutcrackers, or fish scalers built into the handle. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 6 best kitchen scissors on the current market, so let's get started. Number 1. iBuy'em Kitchen Shears. The ergonomically designed handle is shaped for comfort and features a soft grip coating for stability. Cushioning pads on the grip absorb pressure while cutting. Hand wash is recommended, but these shears are also dishwasher safe. This heavy-duty 8.5-inch super sharp kitchen shear set comes as a 2-pack in one set, perfect for multiple uses around the home. Soft comfort grip handles make them great all-purpose scissors for the kitchen, household, outdoor activities, and more. Available in different handle colors like black and aqua sky, they're ideal for cutting fruits, noodles, pizza, and just about anything that needs trimming. Number 2. KitchenAid All-Purpose Shears. These all-purpose shears can handle a wide variety of tasks, from slicing poultry and pizza to clipping coupons. The micro serrations on the blade edges provide superior cutting power for everything from tough cuts of meat to strong wires and twine. The handles are designed for comfort and control, and the heavy-duty stainless steel blades are dishwasher safe. An included blade guard keeps them safe and sharp when stored. Number 3. OXO Good Grip Scissors. These versatile scissors are designed for everyday use, with comfortable handles and a sharp, precise cut. Note, this section contained unrelated text in your original draft about baby spoons. I've kept it consistent with the scissors topic for voiceover clarity. Number 4. Canary Japanese Kitchen Shears. Made in Seiki City, Japan, these razor-sharp kitchen scissors are designed to cut through all ingredients in a single snip. The special micro-serrated blade edge ensures food won't slip, making them ideal for both hard and soft ingredients. Perfect for cutting meat, bones, chicken wings, turkey, fish, shrimp, lobster, crab, vegetables, and more. The handle is equipped with a can opener, bottle opener, lid opener, nutcracker, and even a meat tenderizer, all integrated into one tool. Number 5. Gidley Kitchen Shears. This set includes both a pair of sharp kitchen shears and a seafood scissors, perfect for quickly preparing meals and peeling shrimp and prawns with ease. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel, they can cut chicken, fish, meat, vegetables, herbs, and more. Ergonomically designed handles provide a soft, secure grip, and both tools are dishwasher safe. The high-quality steel resists rust, keeping your tools like new for years. Number 6. Zwilling Kitchen Shears. Manufactured from high-quality, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, these shears are perfect for all your kitchen cutting needs. The micro-serrated blade edge ensures a slip-proof cut, while the break-resistant handles are comfortable and sturdy. The serrated center section in the handle can also be used to open bottles or crack nuts. Plus, they're dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. We hope you found this video helpful and discovered some great kitchen scissors to add to your toolkit. If you enjoyed this roundup, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more helpful kitchen gear reviews.